Welcome to Adena, where technology and elegance redefine the home living experience, nestled in the heart of Neda Alam. Imagine a life with simplicity and sophistication like never before. Adena, elevate you and your loved one lifestyle and adjust to a new height. With just the sound of your voice, transform your home into an efficient haven and comfort. Experience seamless home management and solutions for effortless living. Stay connected with your homes and manage access. You have the power to control your home anywhere in the world. Adjust the temperature of your home to the perfect level, ensuring comfort awaits you whenever you return. With facial recognition, Adena instantly recognizes you and unlocks the door with a simple glance. Coming back home has never been easier. Enjoy movie nights, game nights, and quiet evenings with ease, focusing on creating lasting memories. In Adena, create a lifestyle where technology brings an upgraded and comfortable lifestyle for you and your family.